Thinking about starting a car dealership in New Mexico? Before you sell your fifth car, online or in person, you need a New Mexico motor vehicle dealer license. More than 4 sales in 12 months puts you in dealer territory, period. And if you skip a step, the state can fine you, shut you down, or deny your license. In this video, I'll break down every step, the right way, so you can get licensed, stay compliant, and start selling legally. Fast-paced, beginner-friendly. Let's go. Save this video, and follow along. Everything we mention is linked in the bio. We'll cover the application, business setup, location requirements, pre-licensing education, the $50,000 dealer bond, and garage liability insurance. And don't worry, all the resources we mention are linked in the bio. Watch to the end for the fastest way to lock your bond and insurance so you can open sooner. Ready? Step 1 starts now. In New Mexico, if you sell more than 4 vehicles in a 12-month period, you're required to be licensed. That includes retail dealers, wholesalers, brokers, and distributors. Even online sales count. Facebook Marketplace does not protect you. The Dealer Licensing Bureau enforces this. Stay on the right side early. If you're serious about flipping more than 4 cars, get legit now. Let's set up your business. First, make your business legit. Choose your structure, LLC, corporation, or sole proprietor. Register with the New Mexico Secretary of State, get your CRS tax ID from the state, then get your federal EIN from the IRS. Pro tip, your business name must match exactly across your application, bond, and insurance. Lock this down before anything else. It saves days later. Next, your location. New Mexico requires a physical approved location. You need zoning approval and a local business license. Lease for at least 6 months or own the property. Have a permanent enclosed office, not a residence. Post a dealer sign that matches your DBA. Designate a vehicle display area with room to show inventory. If your location isn't compliant, your application can be delayed or denied. Expect inspection. Set it up to pass on the first try. If you're a used or pre-owned dealer, pre-licensing education is required. Take the class through the New Mexico Independent Auto Dealers Association, NMIADA. Do this early. You'll need the certificate uploaded with your application. It also covers best practices, so you avoid common compliance mistakes. Next up, the dealer bond, non-negotiable. Bond amount, $50,000, required for all New Mexico dealer license types. Obligé, New Mexico Dealer Licensing Bureau. You do not pay $50,000. You pay a small annual premium based on your credit. Typical ranges: 650 plus credit, about 0.5 to 2%, 600 to 649, around 2.5 to 4%. This bond protects the public, not you. Claims can seriously damage your business. This is where the experts at All American Bonds and Insurance come in. They specialize in New Mexico dealer bonds and get dealers approved fast. Get your dealer bond quote now at quickerbonds.com. Grab the link in the bio and get a quote in minutes. Note, motorcycle-only dealers have a smaller bond requirement. Verify your category before you apply. Now protect yourself with insurance. While the bond protects the public, garage liability protects you. Most landlords, lenders, and floor plan companies require it. Start with garage liability. Limits of 100, 300, 100, or higher. Add garage keepers. I recommend direct primary to cover customer vehicles in your care. Dealer inventory, also called open lot, for your vehicles on and off the lot. False pretense coverage. Critical protection against fraudulent purchases or title issues. Errors and omissions to cover paperwork mistakes that can cost you. Optional cyber liability if you store customer data or take online payments. All American Bonds and Insurance can bundle your dealer bond and garage liability, saving you time and money. They know New Mexico requirements cold and can guide your limits. Hit the link in the bio to start a quote now or go to quickerbonds.com and apply online. Confirm your policy shows your exact legal or DBA name to match your bond and application. With coverage set, let's gather documents. Pull everything into one folder before you start the application. Ownership documents, driver's licenses and owner info, zoning approval and your lease agreement, photos of the office, inside and out, plus your lot and display area, clear shot of your signage, matching your DBA, your pre-license certificate for used dealers, your surety bond ready to upload. Pro tip, the NM application must be completed in one session. Have everything ready. Let's submit it right the first time. Submit your application through the New Mexico Dealer Licensing Bureau via MyMVD online services. There's a $50 application fee, non-refundable. Incomplete applications mean delays. Double-check every upload. Before you hit submit, verify your business name, address, and contact info. Match your bond and insurance. Save your confirmation and keep your phone handy for inspection scheduling. Now, watch your email. Your approval comes next. If everything checks out, congrats, you're officially licensed to sell vehicles in New Mexico. Typical turnaround is about 30 days when submitted correctly. Remember, renew your license and bond annually. New Mexico's cycle runs April 1st to March 31. Stay compliant, keep records tight, and grow the right way. If you haven't gotten your New Mexico dealer bond or garage liability insurance, don't guess. Go with the experts. Get yours from All American Bonds and Insurance, fast approvals, dealer specialists, New Mexico compliant. All the resources we mentioned are linked in the bio. Like and subscribe for more dealer licensing tips. You can do this. Start today.